Hey YouTubers! Today I'm bringing you a video to show you how to map the select button to insert coins in the BS games. For this tutorial I'm gonna choose Dr. Mario. Okay, first we're gonna access the retorearch menu by pressing select and start button at the same time. So we're gonna go back here to control. We're gonna go to this option, controls, and then we're gonna go down here, and the select button, we're gonna choose this action, insert coin. Make sure it says BS system insert coin. And the start button, we're gonna choose the select. We're gonna change the start option, the start action to select action. Once we do that, we're gonna go here and we're gonna save the game remap file. Save game. I'm sorry, no, that was wrong. I'm sorry. It's save core remap file, so it should work with all the other games. Okay, now that we have choose this. Now that we have saved the remap, we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna exit this game. We're gonna exit this game and try another one, so you can see it's working fine with all the games. We're gonna choose let's choose pinball. Okay, once again, to insert coins, you have to press the select button this time, and as you can see, it's working because we already remap it and we saved the remap. So now we press the start button, which is the select button, and as you can see, everything is working fine. Okay, let's exit this game for now, and then we're gonna try one more game to show you how we did it one more time. Let's try a random game. Okay. Let's try balloon fight. Okay, it seems that this game is not working. Unfortunately, there is a very small percentage of games that will not work correctly, and at this moment I don't have a fix for that, but let me try one more game so I can show you the option is working now. Okay, let's insert coin. As you can see, it's working fine. Once again, you need to access the retorearch menu by pressing select and start button at the same time, and then we're gonna go here to controls. We're gonna go down here one more time, and we're gonna choose the insert coin action for the select button, and for the start button we're gonna choose the select action. Once we do that, we are gonna save the core remap file. We already did that, so we don't have to do it again, and now we should be ready to go. Everything else is already remapped, so it should work fine. Okay, let's exit this game, and we're gonna show you one last thing that we want to show you how to. We want to show you how to map the controllers for Nintendo 64 games. For that, we're gonna use a Wii Pro controller. It should be already mapped, but we're gonna show you anyways how to do that. We're gonna switch controllers right now. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you, but I'm gonna remove the Snes controller. I'm gonna be using the Wii Pro controller. Okay, let's go to the Nintendo 64 games. We're gonna choose Super Mario 64 to show you this example. Okay, let's look for Super Mario 64. Once again, this emulator is the most difficult to emulate for the SNES Mini, so some games will not work correctly, some others will not work at all. So just it's a really small percentage, but besides that, anything else should work fine. So let's choose Super Mario Bros. Right now I'm using a Pro controllers. I'm gonna show you that both analog controllers are working fine.
Hey, Mario! Hello!
Right now I'm using the left analog stick, and as you can see, it's working fine. The D-pad is not working.
Okie dokie.
Because this game doesn't require
Hey
it.
Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool. Peach.
Before I continue with this video, let me show you how to add overlays. Your SNES Mini is already preloaded with overlays for all the systems. So we're gonna go to this option here. We're gonna go to trying to find it, overlays. Okay, let's go back. Let's go here, shaders, overlays. Oof, I'm not finding this. Okay, I'll show you later. Let me show you that Super Mario 64 analog stick is working. As you can see, Mario is moving around. The camera also works. All buttons are working correctly. Now that I show you how everything works correctly, I haven't tested other controllers for other systems like 8-bit, so I'm not able to tell you if those controllers will work with N64 games, but I can confirm that the Wii Pro controller works fine. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, let me show you how to use overlays for your game. Trying to find that option. It's usually here, but I am not finding it anywhere. Oh, there it is, on screen overlay. So we're gonna turn this on, and then we're gonna go here to overlay preset. We're gonna go back 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna go here to media. We're gonna go to Hakchi. We're gonna go to overlay, and then we're gonna look for the Nintendo 64 overlay. Nintendo 64 overlay. Okay, now that we have choose the overlay, we're gonna save we're gonna override the option, so we're gonna save core overrides. As you can see, it saves successfully. Okay, we're gonna go back to the game, and now we have overlays for our Nintendo 64 game. Okay, now that I show you this, I'm gonna show you how the control is mapped, so you can have an idea if you are using a different controller how to map your your controller, for example a PS4 and an Xbox One controller or any other Bluetooth controller that you are using with the A-Vito. So we're gonna go to controls, and as you can see the B button is configured to work as a C3 button, and then the B button is configured as work as a C2, start button as start button. The D-pad controller, it's configured as well. The A button of my controller is configured as the C1 button, and the X button is configured as the C4 button, and then L trigger, R trigger, Z trigger is configured. The L2 button is configured as the Z trigger, and then well, you have an idea. But if you want to change, the button action, you can always do that. You can configure the control however you want it to work. It should work fine as long as you know what you're doing. And that's it for today, my friends. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to share it with your friends if they also like retro games like we do a lot. Thank you, friends, and see you next time.
Woo!